Hey everybody, Greg Marchand here, 0 to 60, where we teach business management and service counter selling skills in under 60 seconds. I try to anyway. Here is where I see automotive repair shops fail in May. Two areas. Number one, they stop paying attention. Look, we're coming out of winter, we're coming out of the spring doldrums. Sometimes some of you are in wet parts of the country and or you got crazy weather events going on and things are starting to ease up a little bit, and we are looking forward to summer and fishing and boating and picnics and whatever else you do in the summertime, and we start to relax. You can't relax, okay? This is the busy time of year, and we're going to talk in some future episodes here about where you're going to make your money because you're so busy. It becomes a volume issue. So we can't relax right now. We've got to start paying attention as to where the money is going to get made. So number one fail, people start to relax and we start to ease our way into summer. Let's not do that. We're almost halfway through the year. We've got a yearly goal that we're really focused on. Let's go get it. The number two May fail that I see, not paying attention to vacation time, right? I mentioned that in the last video. Shops will yes, I want to give people time off. The problem in the automotive repair business is we're super busy. We make our money between May and October, depending on your market area. But we've got 4 to 5 months to make the majority of our money, and we need people to do it. We are a production environment. So when you don't pay attention to those vacation schedules and you don't set expectations around taking time off in the summertime, you are destined to fail and not accomplish your yearly goal. The third May fail that I see all the time, drives me bananas, is you kill off your marketing. You get busy and so you stop marketing. Not the way to go. If you want to tone it back a little bit, okay. But we need people to consistently think of your repair shop when they have automotive service and repair needs. Your marketing should be 12 months of the year. Number one May fail, relaxing. Don't relax, get up on the wheel. Stay tuned for more of these videos so you know what I mean when I say that. Number two, not managing vacation schedules. Remember, set those schedules, set expectations around time off, stay up on the wheel again. And number three, don't back off on your marketing. Keep up the great work and never, ever, ever stop learning.